This channel has gathered a whopping 444,000 subscribers with just 26 videos. According to Social Blade, it's raking in over $4,000 per month. The interesting part, this mysterious channel is adding thousands of subscribers daily. If you peek at their content, you'll notice a pattern. All the videos share a striking resemblance and are pretty simple to put together. In this video, I'll guide you on crafting similar videos and share an exclusive tip to help you score millions of views. Now let's dive into one of these short clips to unravel the magic.
John Cena or Roman Reigns?
Creating these videos involves a background with two colors and a middle border, presenting two choices for viewers. We'll make things easier by generating a bunch of scripts with just one click. After that, we can tweak them a bit to keep things fresh. Let's start with the first step, generating the script. Go to ChatGPT, copy and paste the prompt from the description, and ask ChatGPT to provide a randomized table. Then, request to remove the question section, as it's not necessary. Keep in mind, our goal is to stand out by taking a unique approach in the process. Exciting times ahead. Highlighting the significance of steering clear from simply copying what everyone else is doing. Many folks are treading similar paths, so it's essential to carve out a unique niche. In my case, I'll be diving into the world of football players, considering their popularity. This approach is likely to stir up some discussions in the comments, giving the video an extra boost in views. Now, let's talk about the next move, bulk creation. If this term sounds a bit unfamiliar, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by heading to canva.com and kick off your Canva Pro free trial. Once you're in, create a new design. Begin by dividing the screen into distinct blue and red sections. To achieve this, add a square and change its color to red. Resize it to take up half of the screen. Now, hold down the Alt key and drag it down to duplicate it. Change the duplicated square's color to blue. Next, introduce a black square. Stretch it across the screen horizontally and resize it to sit in the middle. Add another square, transforming it into a circle, and place it in the middle. To complete the visual, throw in the "or" and resize it to snugly fit within the circle. And there you have it, a unique and engaging visual concept for your video. Now, let's bring this to life. First off, let's give some movement to the elements. Click on each shape, head over to the animation section, and choose the pulse animation. Don't forget to tone down the intensity. Do the same for the circle and the text to keep it consistent. Now, let's introduce the first choices. Add a text element and borrow the first option from the table we crafted earlier in our chat with GPT. For me, it was Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo. To make them stand out, apply some effects. Add a shadow effect and switch the color to black for both texts. Let the creative vibes flow with a background beat playing. Time to fine-tune the duration. Right-click on the text, select Show Timing, and stretch the video to a cozy 7 seconds. Trim the text timing by 0.4 seconds for both. Go to animation and sprinkle some pop effect magic on both texts. Make sure it sparkles on both entering and exiting. Resize the text, leaving around 3 seconds at the end for the percentages. Now, let's get numerical. Introduce a new text and punch in those percentages you got from ChatGPT. Apply the same animation and effects we did for the other texts. Shorten the timing to the last 2 seconds of the video. You've created a masterpiece. To scale it up, let's automate the process. Head to the Apps section and look for Bulk Create. Choose to enter data manually. Now, go back to ChatGPT, copy the entire chart, and paste it following the video guide. Precision is key. Click Done, and you just cooked up 50 unique shorts in a breeze. Now, let's move on to the text. Simply right-click and choose Connect Data. Pick the relevant data sources. For example, in my case, Lionel Messi is linked to Soccer Player 1, and 50 corresponds to Player 1%. Your data sources may vary. Afterward, click on Continue, double-check that everything is accurately selected, and then hit Generate. You'll promptly receive the shorts. Let's take a look at some of them to see if they match our expectations. Looks good. Now, let's elevate the videos by adding a few elements. Firstly, include some images. Search on Canva for content related to your shorts and incorporate 2 pictures. If you can't find them on Canva, you can import them from your PC. Resize them to fit perfectly. Right-click on each image, select Show Timing, and reduce it to 6 seconds for both pictures. Next, enhance the content by adding animations to boost viewer retention. Use any animation you prefer. Change the color of the higher percentage to green. Additionally, add sound effects. Include a ticking clock sound and adjust its timing to start when the text appears and end when the text ends. Thank you for your attention. Include a ding sound effect in your video by searching for one on YouTube. Make sure it aligns with the moment the percentages are displayed. For additional sound options, you can check out 11 Labs. Dedicate some time, maybe a couple of hours, to follow these steps for all 50 shorts. Once done, export the video. Click on Share and choose Download, ensuring the box for downloading separate files is checked. This way, each short becomes its own video instead of being combined into a lengthy 1-hour video. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to subscribe to my channel and check out my email list below for more updates.